So today I am taking you to the most beautiful airport of India, the Kempegowda Airport Terminal 2. So is Kempegowda Airport T2 the most beautiful airport of India? Many would say yes. It has won international awards but it blends art, green spaces, daylight and design in many ways that airports don't. So if beauty is equals to design and experience and soul, then T2 is definitely the most beautiful airport in India. So Terminal 2 is one of the most sustainable terminals in the world. T2 is built as a terminal in a garden and it is not just about aesthetics.
ओवरवेट लगेज को किसी तरह घसीटते हुए मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. Flight information is there. I'm looking horrible right now, but that's how it is. नींद पूरी नहीं हुई है, I'm so sorry. And I think I need a coffee. We have a cafe sort of a thing, पर मुझे कुछ पसंद नहीं आया, so let's see. It's a relay store, so you can buy books and snacks, chocolates, toys, but they are hella expensive.
The entire design focuses on reducing energy, saving water, and blending with nature. In fact, it has been awarded both LEED Platinum rating and the IGBC Platinum rating, which are some of the highest recognitions for green buildings anywhere. So what does that mean for us travelers? For one, the lighting here makes the most of natural daylight. The massive glass facades and skylights cut down the need for artificial lighting during the day. The ventilation system is also designed to optimize fresh air and energy efficiency.
I'm tired. इतना बड़ा है कि आप चल चल के थक जाओगे. Now this is the center attraction of Kempegowda Airport.
This waterfall at T2 is one of the most iconic spots here. No journey through Kempegowda Airport's Terminal 2 is complete without pausing at this place. I mean, the view is breathtaking. I mean, this has to be the heartbeat of the terminal.
Beautiful. Every time I'm in Kempegowda Airport Terminal 2, I make sure कि मैं यहाँ पे सर्विस इंटरेस्टिंग करूँ.
The sound is so calm and the flow is endless and the sight absolutely mesmerizing. Everyone who passes through here stops, takes a picture and carries this memory home. In fact, this has become a new landmark. It's like a signature backdrop so that you know that you are in Bangalore now.
And then we enter.
Now, one of the things that really stands out to me about Terminal 2 is how thoughtfully it has been built around sustainability. Every detail here feels like a step towards a greener tomorrow.
vibrant section. I love the decor. This artwork, Sarvananan Parasuraman. This artwork depicts a fundamental aspect of nature, how matter is interconnected and interrelated. The artist uses the seed germination process to represent the concept. This is Mayadhara Sahu, City of Victory. This artwork narrates endless stories hidden in the ruins of Hampi through architectural motifs. Layers of wood appear to be disorderly, but on a closer look, one can explore the precisely composed panels in detail. Another altarpiece is Teja Gavankar Khora. This sculpture made of miniature bricks evokes Adbhuta Rasa or wonderment. It addresses the artist's question on how much space will be left after the collision of two hemispheres. So the artwork is titled Khora, a philosophical term introduced by Plato, which means space.
These art pieces have made Terminal 2 not just an airport, it's like a museum, It's like a visual treat for an art lover like me, and it's rare to find such soulful storytelling in airports. So yeah, this has to be the highlight after the waterfall. This feels like a floating dreamscape. Look at how it hangs, weightless, as though clouds and threads and fragments have all gathered in midair,
Costa Coffee, yet another cafe. But I'm full right now, so I don't need to eat. People are working here.
In this corner, travel feels less like rush and more like poetry, more like art, So yeah, it does not just make you pause. It's a reminder to just, sit and breathe and let beauty surprise you, even in the middle of a transit. Water is another huge focus. So even in the washrooms, recycled water is used, something you don't notice unless you look closely. But yeah, that makes a big difference in conserving resources.
For art enthusiasts like me, these pieces of artwork, this exhibition is like a treat to my eyes, a visual treat to my eyes. It's time for my flight, so see you in the next vlog. I'm going home and I'll be celebrating Diwali and Dussehra with my family after 2 long years. So it is going to be special and I will keep making more vlogs. So see you then. Bye.